Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You have admin access and a backup ready. Start by locating exactly what provides the location panel. Open Settings or the app that shows the panel, then pause and inspect the panel header for source hints. If it's an extension, open Extensions. If it's a widget, open Widgets or the desktop customization pane. Once done, note the exact name shown. This prevents removing the wrong item and lets you reverse the change quickly if needed. Now remove the panel using the correct path you identified. If it's an extension, click Remove or Disable. Restart the app to clear caches. For widgets, open the widget menu, choose Remove or Hide, and confirm. Some widgets need a sign out to clear. If the panel comes from the OS toolbar, open Taskbar or Control Center settings and toggle the location panel off. Then restart Explorer or log out to apply changes. Make sure to monitor for residual. Finish by restarting the app, and if needed, the system so changes take full effect. Verify the panel is removed and the interface remains stable. If something broke, restore your saved backup or undo the change. If the panel persists, check logs or system notifications for the component name, then reinstall or reset the offending app. One key tip: if removal causes unexpected behavior, re-enable the panel temporarily and capture screenshots and logs before trying advanced resets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.